Hello, I'm Will with Air Theater Designs, and today we'll be showing you how to use the YouTube app on your Apple TV. If you don't have the YouTube app, please refer to our previous video on how to download apps on your Apple TV. First things first, let's give you a little rundown for the YouTube app on your Apple TV. It has a ton of free content like music and music videos, how-to videos, instructional videos, documentaries, and movies. There's a ton of content on there. Just a quick disclaimer, we highly recommend creating a YouTube account on your laptop or computer because it shows your playlist and watch history. Plus, it will recommend and populate content that's tailored to your taste. If you don't have a YouTube account, then that's perfectly fine. You can continue in guest mode. So without further ado, let's get started. All right. First things first, let's go ahead and press the menu button to wake up your Apple TV. And let's go ahead and navigate over and find the YouTube app. Let's go ahead and select it. And it's going to open up the YouTube app. Here we go. And then to your left is the interface. This is your user interface with all your features. You got music, your home, your search function, which is what we want to check out. And then up top is your account. You can either log into your YouTube account, which makes it easier and a lot more intuitive, or you can keep going as a guest. So we're already signed in, so let's stay that way. Let's go ahead over down to the search function. And you notice everything's white once it's highlighted. Let's select search. Then I'm going to type my all-time favorite artist, Rick Astley. Never going to give you up. You can type in whichever you'd please, and then let's go ahead and select the video just to try it out. Ads might play here and there. And now let's go ahead and press menu to get out of here. You can navigate across, and then if you press menu again, it'll keep taking you back. So let's check out some other features. Let's check out our home. We got these videos, and you notice the outlined white area is the video that you will select. So keep that in mind. You got music, you got gaming, you got news, you got movies and shows, and this is all free content. Then you have subscriptions down below that. And at the very bottom you have your library, which shows your history. This is a feature I use a lot. It's really convenient. Or if you forgot a video that you liked, you can go back and check it out. Yeah, so go ahead and navigate through if you want. Don't be afraid to check it out. And if all else fails, press the menu button. That'll always take you back to the page you were previously on. Once you get familiar with it, it's like when you buy a new car, get familiar with all the features, where the headlights are at, just basic stuff. But after a couple times, you'll get the hang of it. And that's it. You're ready to watch YouTube now on your Apple TV. Have a good one.